episode. Greetings over the diaspora to those that don't speak the languages that we speak. This is the feature that I've been wanting to do for the longest. So Nalimkulu, we have probably 2% of battery life, but we are shy on a fasty. Makosi. Yes, when I see the concentration camp, yeah, but since so far parenting the gifted child for that other episode. But Kesha, I think the word of today, Bestela, Wuti Ifere, Ibuyabi.
Election okay to fabulous. I want to because you understand what's coming against so it's influence is South Africa. Mara, understand ukuthi ikazi soethu yabantu isa amabhunu abeka isoethu abantu so ya amabhunu abeka abantu abazulu isoethu babekwa hayi ukutsabisa sihlebe ngabantu basinto basenzile akusuthi soethu nabantu ababrave elumba create sobeka abantu nasisothi ihlukanile amakasi khona iDubi Orlando nani khona ikaswazi ngona politicians agcwele i-22 la agcwele ama businessmen agcwele amahlanya stela la imidlo kusho ukuthi la isigwazana la understand sothi njalo understand so yenziwa belungu so in this bias zenzike la amakasi abhaya influence so and influence ke wrong ngoba thathe uzofika eTV azigwazana zakhona zithandiswe ifoni so ngathi crane hamba ya boma Pitori thole azithanda so sandicleve kwisitshenzi ucleve kulimaza so umcleve thina masikhomba ucleve so ukunakekela
thokoza mkhulu
yeah bamathi qawa kana out masikhomba out sishubuntu understand masikhomba uyilokushini libo understand usishubuntu nabo sithi awuqaka kana out sishubuntu baye and so mangazathi umuntu man kunja athi defede kunjani uthi feather how feather
Pitori bare federe
yes mathi feather kusho kamanzi kwenzakalani feather empilweni yakho kwenzakalani
because it's like how are you and siqedile lapha I'm fine
manje kumele ngakuthi kwenzakalani kumele ngazi ukuthi umntwana okrenda mana ngiphatheka ngayizolo kahle ngoba besingayisho ngokudlula esisho ngokuconcept ukuthi Joe ukrenda ngoba it's important ukuthi it's in us ukwenza sure ukuthi uyibale ligrade akusukuthi uzothi fede mara umthathele itshontshe ifoni yakhe izothi kanjani ungoshini
so why ke mengiphendula ngithi no fede mase ayikuthi ngiyaduba but say maybe ngithini so kawabonanga iwatwati yami hayi ka why wishe la mara ngikuphile ka no fede ke another cut and join.
Yes.
The really go fade. Guti why kere fade as in not guti ngala but I'm accepting the situation for how it is. So ingena delay fade.
All right, unconsciously usuke asho ukuthi noma I don't see. Yona going further.
Sure.
Well, akusinanda. Yena uthi well njengoba ngayitholanga kusinandaba sizoyibona no sizoyilungisa wesaka sokuyimix understand mara fede usokuthi ngokunaba kwesimo hence ukuthi kunjani fede iva fede ukuphi ukuthi ngokunaba isimo okuzo kwenzakalani
thokoza mkhulu
ibisuka la well yeah hence you bilele kutheni it's important wazi iniba yakho it's important thina nje ngisho ukuthi like us bukine ebhekela maleka isoethu bokhona phela ukuthi umuntu nomhamba yabo mavali bathi uthi tshontshe imoto thina li uthi umshimane umaka manje into usokoloyi ikakena kayikoloyi ipokoteni ngusha kaphili ukuthi ungathatha imoto isayithathi umuntu tondodo bayibhake elibuthatha imoto etropi thathu daki ngoba njengoba mase sibona ngathi utshontsha kwakuyicrime ubonga sicrime ukulungisa umuntu uthatha iland yakho ukupakisha idini somuntu uthatha imoto zakhe njengoba abantu masayibona bangathi bayizinto wrong abantu bazibona ngathi ba wrong they wanna apologize you cannot be apologetic ukuthatha into yakhe ethathwe yingami njengoba sesiphambene sesikwazi uxabana sodwa into ukuthi asazi ukuthi ingami la yize siqhwakithi la isoyethu besazi ukuthi ingami la ibhathi le into zethu so uma utshontshe bomela utshontshe kuphuma ukuthi wena man bonga utshontshe besingakufatile kodwa besingakurespect bonga sindoda
awu comrade yeah
hayi NC yafika nansi ifaka nokuthi comtsotsi NC show ukuthi NC ayispanela ama British from that no siyashontsha belungu isho ukuthi nama comtsotsi kanje ngangizibuzo labantu
yini komtsotsi ke
comrade wethu
okay
umuntu utshontsha bathi umuntu abatshontsha imoto bazothi amakhomtsotsi sasikuza mara ensisho kanjani ukuthi amakhomtsotsi abantshontsha kwabula ushuka la ushuka babetshontsha report ushuka wagujula neqanqanyula ikhali kanti agujulwa ngaleso wethu wayesukela usuka bemsukela ushuka wayitshontsha ijozi lezi ezingama-comrade la izona ngathi zithi hayi lena sifuna umphathule angazosijwayela kahle kanjani angatshontsheli bona usho wayitshontshela abantu wayitshontshela i-report wayikhuphuka
so unqunywe la ikasi
wanqunywe la ikasi mama white city khanda ladlula la lakhuphuka lodlula emapoyini lakhuphuka lodlula lekhwezi bahlake istikisomeshini bafake istikisomshanyeni baphethe so bamnqamba
la ikasi hayi mkhulu
wayebadukulile labantu naye
hayi no sekumnyama mkhulu
yasezona
soqhubeka kakhulu
sichithekele soxoxela ngayo uma bayisukela on ngoba isathe ingabeni nama-enemy isingajikile until umhlaba wethu ubuye bese wena beza ngama-terms ethu sibatshe chance nina la ngizozwa thina njengamaphathi bathula ama-enemy hayi kusiyaba zona sizoni sifuna ilendi yethu bese siba crane nawo ilendi ingakabuya sikho crane thokoza makhosi.
And that was our word of the day or word of the week. Feature. But yes, umkhulu uzosiqhaqhela if you have any interesting word and you want to know where it's from. Yeah, any word from Ekasi, especially Soweto. Zapitori retlaleka, but yeah, Israel. Yeah, mkhulu lathe bamaske imhotep uziphethe zonke.
Ukwaito, ikamthi kwaito ikaliswe iPitori uzokuchasela sometime ukuthi
Thokoza mkhulu, asiqedi
bese ujabulane mara suke iPitori.
Thokoza mkhulu. Ngiyeza ngizokubona nge-26 so record ufike early ke.
Thokoza.